Next morning, we are leaving Nagoya. Got a bunch of meat, rice, a seafood soup with ingredients from the market, and a salad. We're in Tokyo Station. We're swapping from the bullet train to the Tokyo Metro. We have to figure out where to buy tickets and also just how to traverse this place. 'Cause it is quite big. Lots of people. Very much giving Grand Central Station. Made it to Shinjuku. Walking to our hotel, which is the big Godzilla hotel. With the Godzilla head, wherever that is. And yeah, let's go. It's a beautiful day out. That Godzilla head and Hotel Gracie is where we will be staying. Hotel Gracie. Got a huge Godzilla. Well, do you think they like Godzilla? There's a sign for the Godzilla head. I think they like it here. And a Godzilla shop. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna assume. We've made it to Hotel Gracie. I think this is the smallest room we've been in this whole vacation. Let me give you a room tour. We entered through this tiny hallway. You have this tiny little closet space. It's about the width of half a hand with some slippers and some hangers. The bathroom's pretty big. You got a sink, toilet, shower, and the traditional like Japanese floor shower, which I like. And then it's the room that's pretty small. We have this thing. I don't know what this is, but it's here. Little guide, TV, a little ledge, table with tiny little sofa, and a little table here, and then the bed, and that's it. This is about width-wise, not a lot of space, but make do with what you've got, right? The view out the window is nice. Talk about a skyline, huh?
Just a slab of butter and
It's kind of boring.
Atsuki. What's it called?
Let me triple check. Ah,
Butter.
yeah. Back in Shinjuku, we visited the Hachi statue, but the crowd was crazy, so I did not record it. And we came back. We're gonna put our things down and then probably go to Omakase in a little bit. Omakase's in like another 3 hours, so might look around. I'm going to head to the claw machines by myself to do a little bit of game playing and hopefully win nothing because I don't have space in my luggage for claw machine toys. Gachapons. Oh shit. This is what I want. Guaranteed wins. Oh my god. This is what I want. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. My only win of the night, this sushi keychain. A nugget. Oh. These are all the chips I've gotten so far. That's very cool. Salmon roe.
But that's good. Remember, he just threw them on our slate.
Yeah.
So you were right. I thought it was. You were right. I thought people over on the side.
Yes, I know it. We just finished omakase, and it was delicious, but I spilled food on my pants. But I have fond memories of this place from the last trip, so I'm back again to do more damage. Going to Lawson, gonna get my coffee for the night. My coffee, whoa. Gonna get my ice cream for the night. Claw machines, gonna get my ice cream for the night and call it a day. Wow, there's so many ice cream options. Oh my god. Why is there so much? I think I kind of want this one in like a little reusable packet. Ooh, red bean or that one. You guys will find out what I pick. Oh, orange. You guys will find out what I pick in the next clip. Ice cream of choice. It says 0. I don't know why, but it says Biscuit Crunch Choco Bar. So this was the ice cream of choice for the night. Let's try it. It smells like a Crunch Bar. Delicious. Nothing special about it. It's vanilla ice cream covered in chocolate with little crunch bits, but I love a crunchy chocolate bar, so 10 out of 10. See you tomorrow.